Hey everybody, this is just a quick video in case you have a Miele brand tumble dryer and you're getting an error F39 when you try to use it. So what is this error and what can we do to get rid of it? So the F39 error is some kind of electronic anomaly that within the machine that the machine is detecting. And unfortunately, since it's not a localized error, there's not a real simple fix that we can do to get our machine working again. You're probably going to need to call a technician. But there is one thing you can do, and you can try to do before you call your technician. And that is, like with all of these electronic errors, one thing that can always clear them out is just like your computer that's not acting right. Sometimes just doing a hard reset on it will clear out the error. So to do a hard reset on your dryer, all you need to do is turn it off. Disconnect it completely from the power, either unplug it from the wall or turn it off at the breaker, and then just leave it disconnected from power for a full minute before you plug it back in and turn it back on. Try to run a cycle and see if you can run that cycle without the error coming back. And hopefully that'll clear it out. If it does, you'll probably need to call a technician, but this very well may get your dryer back and working. So anyways, thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.